Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Today we are going to do diffusion in gases from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings, that is chapter 1, class 9.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Students, have you ever experienced in your life the smell of food being cooked in the kitchen reaches us even from a considerable distance? When food is cooked, some of the substances in food releases gases having the smell of food in them. The particles of these gases move very quickly and mix up with air by diffusion. When the air containing these gases reaches our nose, we get the smell of food being cooked in the kitchen. Even if we do not enter the kitchen, then also we come to know that this particular dish our mother is preparing. Thus, the smell of food being cooked reaches us even from a considerable distance by the process of diffusion. And if fish is being fried at a place, then its peculiar sharp smell can be detected even when we are quite far off due to the diffusion of gases that is produced during the frying of fish into air. Now, students, you must have also experienced that the smell of hot sizzling food reaches us even when we are at a considerable distance, but to get the smell of cold food, we have to go close to it. This is due to the fact that the rate of diffusion of hot gases, which is released by the hot sizzling food, is much faster than the rate of cold gases released by the cold food. Okay, now the next example of our day-to-day life only. When we light an incense stick, are you seeing on the board, children? Which we call it in Hindi as agarbatti. In a corner of a room, like suppose if we light this incense stick in the corner of a room, its fragrance spreads in the whole room very quickly. The fragrance of burning stick, this incense stick, which we call it as agarbatti, spreads all around due to the diffusion of its smoke into the air. The particles of gases produced by the burning of this incense stick move rapidly in all directions. They collide with the particles of air present in the room, mix with air and reach every part of room very quickly. Okay. Next example you also must have experienced. When someone opens a bottle of perfume in one corner of the room, its smell spreads in the whole room quickly. The smell of perfume spreads due to the diffusion of perfume vapors into air. When the bottle of perfume is opened, then the liquid perfume quickly changes into vapor, or you can say gas. The perfume vapors move very rapidly in all directions in air, mix with the air particles and hence spread with air in the whole room. The last example you also must have experienced again. The leakage of this gas, which is known as LPG. This is a cooking gas, you know it, children. Liquefied petroleum gas, which we have at our place always, is detected. That means the leakage of this cooking gas, LPG, in our homes is detected due to diffusion of a strong smelling substance which is known as ethyl mercaptan. Again, I repeat, ethyl mercaptan present in the cooking gas into air. That means with the smell of this particular, that is smelling substance, which is known as ethyl mercaptan, we come to know, yes, there is a leakage in the gas. And you know, children, that this is very dangerous gas. So that is why with the help of this, substance, we come to know there is a leakage of the gas and immediately we can take some step to save ourselves. So children, please keep on revising. So today we have done 3-4 examples of diffusion in gases. Keep on revising on the daily basis. Just for 5 minutes, revise children on the daily basis and you see where you will reach. So with this, I wind up the session. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless. Take care.